spell check. If you want to make corrections to your document, wrong spelling and grammatical errors, you could see red line. Red line stands for wrong spelling. So when you want to correct, for the simplest way is you right click, you see options, now you choose value or whatever that you have in mind. When you move down, you will see more. Self-control, this line stands for grammatical error, so the actual or the correct one is self-control. Now this need to start with capital letter. You can see these two need to start with capital letter. So you go on scrolling down, moving from one page to other. When you are proceeding, as you are reading along, you will be detecting them one after the other. Then you will be done with them. Or you just click your review, you can see spelling and grammar, you just click, or you say the shortcut is F7 and it will apply, and you start gradually one after the other. It will be taking you to the misspelled and grammatical error points one after the other.